In this video we'll show you how to configure Caption Pro to deal with camera trap data. The first thing to do is to configure the options so that camera trap data can be processed effectively. So we'll bring up the options screen, move it into view. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that any photos we caption go into a different folder. So we'll select a folder to put them in, which has already been created. We'll call it Camera Trap Images. The next thing we'll do is set the slideshow interval to as fast as possible, 250 milliseconds, and we'll say don't repeat the slideshow. We'll also change the ordering of multiple files loaded to order by file name. So now we close the options screen. And now we set any preset values which we want to use for captioning. So we click the presets button, click add, and now we type in the names of all the animals which we're likely to see. So I'll have kangaroo, fox, and goanna. Click add, and now they're all waiting for us. So now we're ready to load the images which we wish to inspect. So to do that we click on File and load all the files in the folder. So we now select the folder containing all of the camera trap images, and in this case we go to camera trap and select the kangaroo example. So we do want to load 50 files, and there is the first image. Now in order to start our inspection, we click the slideshow menu and then play. And when we click play, the image will expand to full screen and change as fast as possible. We can also achieve this effect by typing Control P. Anyway, we'll start it off and we'll wait for the animal to appear. So this is a typical grassy scene. We've got a bit of dried chicken as a bait. Doesn't mean much to a kangaroo though. But in a short while we should see the kangaroo start jumping through. So there it goes. And we can move backwards and forwards by means of the arrow keys. So if we decide that we want to caption a particular photo, such as this one of the caption of the kangaroo, we can stop the slideshow by clicking stop or escape. And now we can bring up the presets, select kangaroo by clicking twice, and now click copy to caption, and there it appears. So now it's ready for captioning, and we can say add to image. There's a little note about where it's going to be created, and we say OK. And now the captioned image is shown, ready for whatever purpose you wish. And that's all there is to it.